Brody found a ladybug. Don't eat it! Look at his concentration face. It's like, it's gross looking. You're gonna be my new friend. Hey guys, so right now I'm waiting for my mom to get back so we can go and get me some pizza! And that's my life. Is food and nothing. I have a history project I have to do, and I accidentally have to do the whole thing now because, you know, I don't know how actually. I just kind of ended up doing the whole thing. Like, I mean, it's not done. I kind of said I'd end up doing the whole thing. I don't know. I just hate my history class so much. It's full of delinquents and people I just can't even with. Ugh. There's a leak in the fridge! Ah! Gotta tell you something. You ready? There's a leak in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yep, that's pizza. Brody is sitting like a lady on an interview. Look at his legs. Crisscrossed applesauce. Alright guys, I'm gonna end today's video here. Grammar? I don't know. Leave a like if you did, comment, share, subscribe, and see you all next time on Abs Life. And remember, stay fabulous. I'm good.